Alright, so for this problem, we're asked to calculate the percentage of Mr. Okafor's salary that was put into savings. So that shows we need X. And since these are in percentage, so that shows the sum of all of these has to be 100. So now we can find X. And so the A, that is 35 plus 7.5 plus. So this does not matter. This can be 1, this can be 10. So because the whole numbers are actually not in decimal, but based on what is here, I'm just going to use 1.0 plus 15 plus 17.5 plus X should give us 100. Now, if you sum all of this, you should have 5 plus 7.5 plus 1 plus 15 plus 17.5. So that is 76 plus X is 100. So this implies X is 100 minus 76. That is 24. So that shows 24% goes into savings. So X is 24. So 24% of Mr. Okafor's salary was put into savings. Now for the B part, if you want to illustrate that in a pie chart, so you have to calculate the degree, for pie charts. So that is a circle, so it has to be 360 degrees. So the sum of angles, so you have to have a pie chart for each section. So the sum of angles here should be 360. So to get the angle for each section, for food, fuel, rent, to get the angle, so you have to use this formula, the percentage multiplied by 360 over 100. So that is what you will use for each. For example, for food and drinks now. For food and drinks, the percentage is what? Is 35 multiplied by 360 divided by 100. So when you solve that, you get 126 degrees. So you do for each of them. So if you solve for each of them, you should get that for fuel. So for fuel, that should be 27 degrees. For rent, that should be 3.6 degrees. For building, that should be 54 degrees. For education, that should be 63 degrees. And for savings, you should get 86.4 degrees. So if you have all of that, now the pie chart, how will the pie chart look like? So so the pie chart should look like this. You should represent each angle. You represent each angle on a circle. So each angle and the pie chart will look like this. So that is what we have. And in the next problem, we will solve for the third part, which is 8C. So I hope you understand this concept. I will see you in the next problem.